4 people died and 3 others were in critical condition when 2 helicopters collided mid-flight near a popular tourist attraction on Australia's Gold Coast on Monday, police said. The mid-air collision occurred close to the SeaWorld Resort Australia when one helicopter was on the process of landing and the other taking off. Kvinslend Police Acting Inspector Gary Worrell said. One damaged helicopter managed to land safely on a sandbank in the Gold Coast Broadwater, but the other crash-landed in the same area. Queensland Ambulance Service said 13 people were assessed at the scene. The Australian Transport Safety Bureau said it had launched an investigation into the accident.
In the Broadwater, those 2 aircraft, when collided, have crashed, landed on the sandbank just out from SeaWorld Resort. As a result of that, 4 people have lost their lives today, and we have 3 others critical in hospital. On initial inquiries, it would appear that one has been taking off and one has been landing. At this stage, it's my understanding that with the 7 people that are injured are from just one helicopter, and all the others are still injured, but obviously further inquiries are being conducted.